All right, people, I'm going to talk to you about this trade. This is a trade breakdown video of today's trade. I just took it and I also called them out on the New York Outlook. So when the New York Outlook was recorded, we saw this big push, right? It already happened. So what I wanted the price to do was to retrace a little bit and then find some support. So what we did, we retested it once. We tried to break it the second time. I actually took this trade on the 50-minute time frame. And what happened? We reached all the way down to this type of support area. I highlighted it after it. And then we didn't manage to close below these levels as well. So we have this level and this level over here, the 50-minute time frame, there where we couldn't close. We have two weak bearish candles as well, which looks as some type of exhaustion to the downside for me. And that's when the next candle opened and where we saw a small wick down, then a move up, and I put in my buy stop at the break of those highs. Actually, entry was a little bit over here, right? So that's where I entered the trade. I had my SL at 15 pips as I thought that 25 would be a little bit too big in this range because we also have this resistance to the left and this zone over here as well that it rejected. That's why I took my profit. So yeah, I had my stop loss at 15 pips that if this candle would have came down immediately and broke its own low over here, then I would have closed 50% at least to manage my risk. So then I would have lost like 0. something percent already. Sometime it was around like 0.325% or something. And if we push down to my full SL, my total loss would be like around 0.7, 0.8%. Right now, the trade moved up pretty nicely. Took my profits and secured 80% of this position. And I gained actually with a little bit of a spread in my favor, or like the move was in my favor, where I gained like around 0.9% of this trade already. Leaving this remainder to run. I have 80% close because this 4-hour candle just closed pretty strong. So I hope that it just finds some support right now, doesn't stop me out, and just continue to move up, and then we have a nice position running. If not, it is what it is. It stops me out. We are bearish on GJ as well, right? We have a bearish bias on the daily as well. So if it doesn't work out, it is what it is. It's against our bias, but we couldn't let this trade leave without us, and we didn't. So we saw it happening, we executed, and we just waited for it to work out. Did not close at this resistance. I did feel like there could be some, but I needed the 5-6 more pips to hit my 1-to-1, and that's what I'm teaching you guys, and that's what is really important because your wins need to be bigger than your losses. So yeah, that's all, guys. I hope you guys learned something from this trade breakdown video, and I hope you guys took advantage of the New York Outlook, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.